All of my be a step-by-step to it was so good. Maybe when you're watching this it's not, but I'm just telling you that this is when I am releasing it and I sound like a okay, great. I don't think I put on deodorant today. A little bit. There's going to be a lot of little trimming that you'll do on this wallet. A lot of little trimming. That might not have made sense to anyone, but it did in my head. It's when you need a quick gift, great little hostess gifts, teacher's gifts, stocking snuffers. Why can't I just say what's on my brain? When I made the first sample, I didn't even think about it until I folded it over and I went, oh, that doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. The 1/8 is my favorite because I can keep it out of the seam allowance. I went ahead and just added this extra piece. Now, if you want to, you can also take some constructive, and so I didn't like how that sounded. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hey there. Hi. Hey. And all of the speaking. Do you have a hard time talking? Because I sure do. Join me where I learn how to speak English. And that's it. I have nothing else to say. If it's going to bother you, or bits of scrap.
I feel bonita.
Interfacing, and for piece B, I did it a little bit differently. I don't know why I'm telling you all that. I don't know. I'm kind of paranoid sometimes. I made this one for myself. I literally hated all of that. Why? If I had cut this by hand, I may have some little frays, so I have my lighter available. I skipped totally over that. Being in the video, I think I filmed it in maybe I need lipstick. Do I need lipstick? I'm for the love. I will give it my all, and that sounds fucking terrible. Starting out 2023 with a strong blooper game. In today's video, we're gonna make this. Nope. Was that cute though? Freebie. I don't like how that sounds. That sounds stupid. Okay. I should probably figure out what I'm saying before I start talking. So before I do any cutting, before I cut anything on here, I'm gonna and take this anywhere that I want to. I don't know why I just said that. I don't know what the word is. Scrap that. Okay. Watch Jessica do math in her head. Half of 18 is 9. Half of 20 is 10. Your Voyager train towards the, that sounded really bitchy. pattern is not finished. Brain burp for boy. Putting in snaps is actually very easy. I hate how all of that sounds. Update, don't iron on the front side because that's what it looks like. I have never recorded with anybody in the room before. It's very weird because I'm already very self-conscious that you're in here. Just remember that.
You gotta make a blooper video. You gotta make a video of when Eric is in the room and I'm making a video.
Pretty much.
In the comments.
So we've got our handles prepared. We know how to make them adjustable or to how to add
And I still this piece of
I'm glad I started recording so I could get that. Okay, let's go on the blooper reel. Put the rubber mallet down. I have no idea why I made marks here, but I did. So if I don't edit that out, that was just for fun. There's no pocket going there. So I hope you enjoy that good laugh. I am going to go over and remove these marks. Actually, still kind of surprised that this wallet is around. That's a terrible thing to say. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna go redo this and pretend that that didn't happen. I did not like how any of that sounded. It sounded really snotty. You can have your zipper going from right to left, from left to right. I think that was backwards. Oh, this was... Wow, that sounded dumb. So I stitched my top and bottom accents in piece. Nope. I stitched my top and bottom accents in place. I head over, oh my God. I went ahead and stitched my top and bottom cork accents in piece. Last stages here. I don't know why I said any of that. It sounded really stupid. Oh, ugh. That was just like way too much talking.
Well, goddamn.
One take? Who dis?